guys, so there's a big tornado coming by our home. Power's out because of this tornado, of course, which really is tiring. The tornado! This is so hard. I don't like this. Do you? No. Is it making you dizzy, Maggie? I'm so dizzy. I'm glad it stopped. We lost power. Jeez, it's pouring outside.
I'm gonna go outside and sit.
You see this, guys? Shh, shh, shh. Did you just hear that loud bang of Ben? Shh, shh. What?
School bus. And guess what?
What?
There's a flood outside.
Oh. Do you guys hear that rain? Oh my God! It's blowing around again. Back fell over because of the tornado wind. Oh my goodness! My chair just literally fell down. Let's go look outside at the car. Car is fine. Do you see this leaves blowing all around? When is this? Is that the tornado siren? That's our tornado warning detector. Warning, a tornado has been detected in your town. Please be safe. Beep, 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 beep.
Okay,
Like,
turn it off. Okay. I can't really reach.
oh, here you go. Do you see what that tornado just did to you? So guys, tornadoes can get you hurt too. You'll be right back, right?
Yep.
Now you just let me have a Reese's pizza. There's the wind. Did you feel that wind blow?
Well, might knock me over.
Yeah. This is like the deadliest tornado ever.
Oh, here comes the news. So, in this tornado in New York Avenue.
No, in Seaford? In Parkview Avenue,
People died in this tornado.
And in New York, people died in this doo-doo-doo. That's the power. How are we going to watch the news now?
I was going to say something in
Oh, the power's back.
Okay, 1 million people died in this world. I repeat, 1,000 million people died in this world.
And the people are getting safe right now. The power's out again. Again? This weather's crazy, right? Okay, the news is back. The news is back, Maggie. That's just the tornado detector. It's ran by batteries, guys, so it will it's like a smoke detector. It beeps when it's low.
But it's not.
Yeah, it's for the tornado. It's beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. Warning, please be safe. And with this tornado, a tornado has been in this house, destroying other houses. Please get to the nearest exit of your outside or front door and get into the house. If you are already in your house, please be safe. Okay, she's just going to the bathroom, guys. Unfortunately, power's out again. Woo! We got a little bit power, guys. It's just that the power is not coming back. The car hood is up! Maggie! The engine on the car is opened! Guys, have you ever had in a tornado? It is pouring crazy outside right now, and the wind is blowing crazy. Beep, beep, All right, that was my phone flood warning. Let's see. Wow! There's like 500 miles per hour of flood. Wow, that stick just fell. Bye, guys. The power's back, so bye.